Yo, what up YouTube? T-Lod 1972 coming at you. Just got back from the local card show in Harrisburg, PA. Grabbed a couple boxes of Topps Finest. Let's get to cracking. Box one. Hopefully we get ourselves a little Dez Bryant action. See how it goes. I'm not too lucky with pulling big personal stuff, but that's got to change eventually, right? Somebody got to get lucky somewhere. Alright, first box, mini box. Alright, got a Joe McKnight and a Javid Best refractor. Nice, out of 50. Good deal there, boys. That guy's a beast, isn't he? Tough to see the number there. Out of 50 refractor. Good start. Good start, I'll take that. Okay, next pack. I got a little Brett Favre action there. Ooh, got a Finest Moments refractor, so that's an extra hit. Jimmy Clausen. And on top of that, same box. Wow. Good first auto, nice. That feels like the hit. Yeah, we'll do it. Jimmy Clausen auto, nice, cool. Alright. Oh, get out of here. Wait till you guys see this. Numbered out of 99. 3-color Javid Best rookie. Nice patch out of 99. Number 86 to be precise. Wow. What a box. What a box. Nice card. Good product this year. Nice stuff. Eric Decker rookie. CJ Spiller rookie. Armani Edwards rookie. Hey, PC. Marion Barber refractor out of 99. PC. Nice. Eric Berry. Little Jay Cutler refractor action out of 399. Miles Austin for PC. Mike Williams rookie and a, let's see, another Mike Williams. Atomic. Yeah, they're kind of cool, aren't they? Alright. Let's keep the wheels a turning here. That's cool. I got the extra auto. Just happened to be Jimmy Clausen. Okay. Next wave. Golden Tate, base rookie, and Atomic Jimmy Clausen. Yikes. Jermaine Gresham, base rookie. Brandon LaFell, base rookie. And a Cedric Benson refractor out of 399. Jonathan Dwyer, base rookie. Andre Roberts base rookie, and another refractor rookie out of 50, Toby Gerhart. Okay, keep the ball rolling here. Alright, we got a dual jersey rookie auto of Marty Gilliard out of 350. So that's my next hit. And we got a refractor PC again, man, wow, of DeMarcus Ware out of 50. Good deal. Joseph Adai, red refractor out of 25. And a Jonathan Dwyer finest moments. Marcus Easley base rookie, Javid Best base rookie, and another Cedric Benson refractor out of 99. Cool. Alright, so recap the autos. Got a Javid Best 3-color out of 99. A Marty Gilliard out of 350 dual auto. And an extra auto hit, finest moments, Jimmy Clausen. Alright, be right back with box 2. Later.